The Canadian Association of School System Administrators, CASSA as we're called, is the national network of senior school system leaders. We connect education leaders and their professional affiliates in our provinces and territories to strengthen the capacity of our school systems and their leadership teams, so they can provide equity and excellence in education for each learner. CASSA believes our school system administrators are essential to our students' success. Our role is to advance school system administrators' individual and collective leadership skills and knowledge, to lead the dialogue on educational matters of national significance, and to connect our members with educational and community partners through communication and collaboration to ensure excellence and equity in publicly funded education throughout Canada. CASSA serves its mission, its affiliates, and its members with three key benefits. Professional development. We identify current topics, trends, and skill areas our leaders need now. This integrates the best practices in education faster from coast to coast to coast. We host an annual conference for all school system leaders, and we publish a professional journal and newsletters called Leaders and Learners to share promising practices and to advance our professional educators' knowledge base. Maximizing opportunity for all school system leaders to grow their own proficiency and better serve their students. Communication and engagement. We are a network of our affiliates and members to connect to the latest information in Canadian education and to engage one another for feedback and problem solving. This includes a national nature-based education framework built with the Canadian federal government and university researchers to offer environmental education initiatives in our school systems. We're also partners in the Canadian School Mental Health Leadership Network, a network that includes elected education leaders from the Canadian School Board Association, along with researchers and thought leaders from throughout Canada to address a national issue of concern for our young people. And each year, we present the Nelson Excellence in Leadership Award to a member or members who have exhibited exemplary leadership ability and enhanced school administration to promote student achievement. This communication and engagement promotes success stories that every school system can use as a model to promote equity and excellence. And governance and operations. We serve our provincial and territorial affiliates to advance the mission in their jurisdictions. We've fostered a relationship with the Council of Ministers of Education Canada, working alongside international organizations, especially our American counterpart, the AASA, the American Superintendents Association, and support our individual member school systems to reinforce our values of diversity, equity, excellence, inclusion, responsiveness, and well-being for all our students. With one voice, CASSA uses these values and core commitments to represent publicly funded education in issues of national significance. CASSA's membership reach and significance continues to grow. Here's our vision for how we'll continue to deliver our benefits to our affiliates and members. By connecting school systems and their leaders into a Canada-wide education system network to transform system leadership for equity and inclusion, connecting thought leaders in education, while unifying our membership for our students' collective benefit. By serving as the strong national voice in education, ensuring our school systems have visibility at the national table, harnessing the expertise and best practices Canada-wide to build every member's credibility and influence, and by maintaining a focus on equity and success for each student in Canada. By delivering quality professional learning, serving as a clearinghouse for professional development for our members, with cutting-edge tools in line with current realities, expanding each of our leaders' capacity, while learning and sharing our growth with one another. By being the source of impactful resource sharing, promoting research and findings on the latest educational trends that can positively impact Canadian education, sharing resources dedicated to student needs, and leading our members through practices and strategies to identify and address problems of practice, and by providing strong support for our school system leaders' well-being, advocating on a global scale for the health of our systems, and with key mental health advocacy organizations to promote the well-being of those who lead our schools and the health and safety of every one of their students. CASSA's mission, influence, and benefits only grow with your engagement. Please contact your local provincial or territorial affiliate to learn more about CASSA membership. Connect locally with them or ask one of our individual members in your jurisdiction. And visit our website to engage our network Learn more about how we can benefit your school system and grow each of our capacities to deliver equity and excellence for every student in Canada.